Period. Okay, not period yet. If you still have questions on what I did, you could ask me in the comment sections. Comment section. This is the point where I come with an aggressive evangelism. Don't watch and leave. Don't watch the Lord. Okay, it's enough. It's enough.
Face in your face.
What the hell is going on down there?
Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Uchechi's corner. No, I don't need to come and say welcome back. Even though I've said it already. People are already regular customers, no, regular visitors on my YouTube channel. So grab your pen, grab your paper or your jotter or anything, because today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on my YouTube intro, how I did it and the app I used. I'll give you 2 minutes, no 2 minutes, 1 minute, in fact 30 seconds. Go and bring pen and book so I can teach you how I did my intro. So let's get right into the video. So the app I use is CAPCUT. This is what it looks like. Yeah, when you tap on it, you'd see things like this. So you tap on new project, and then you'll be able to see your pictures and your videos. I'll use videos to do this one. I don't know what I'm going to pick. Okay, let's pick this. And this, and this, and this. Yeah. Okay, it's enough. It's enough. So let's use this for now. If you need more, we'll come back and get more. So you tap on add. So yeah, for me, I prefer after getting your videos ready, I'll add an audio so that I will work with the sound and how it's coming in and how it's going out. That's how I prefer to do mine. So yeah, we'll pick a sound. I want to split this here. You can split it and then delete it. I want to split that. You can add things, both effects, filters, stickers, stuff like that. You can add them there. And transitions also. You could make it like to be transitioning. Concept, right? Hope you're writing down. Write down number. Write down whatever you understand so that you don't forget it. So the next thing I'm going to focus on now is the writings, like the vlog, fashion and everything. So let me do that. When you reach here, whatever, when you get here, you tap on the plus sign. Tap on stock videos. See this black thing that is around here like this? You tap on it so that you get it. Yep. Now you've added the black background. The next thing you want to do is put your text. But now instead of putting the text normally, like what should I say, vlog, it's fine like this if you want it that way. But me, I will not do it like that. I would want to put all the animations and everything. Templates you could also use to do the write-ups instead of just making it normal. Basics on what I know I want, so I can now go back and start rearranging them. You get? Period. Okay, not period yet. I have to cut the sun here and delete the remaining. So this is what we have. Basically, this is it. Hope you'll be writing down. I'm done with the whole thing. I'm going to save it up right here.
Myself to you, yeah, we're driving down the freeway.
It's ready to be used on your videos or anywhere you want to use them. It's already in your gallery. If you check, it's going to be in your gallery right here. So yeah, that's it. That's basically how I did my YouTube intro. If you still have questions on what I did, you could ask me in the comment sections. I'm ready and willing to answer all your questions. This is the point where I come with an aggressive evangelism. Don't watch and leave. Don't watch. The Lord is watching you. Don't watch and leave. Thank you for watching my video. Like the video please, so that I'll know the video makes sense to you. If it don't make sense to you, still like it. Yes, still like it. It doesn't make sense to you, like it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.
I only got one thing in the back of my mind.